This lesson is all about Nepal. What you'll need to do is take some notes after each slide, just so that you have a few different things that you can say about Nepal for the next task we're going to do in class. This is Nepal's flag. Nepal is the only country in the modern world that does not have a rectangular national flag. Instead, it is crimson with blue borders and incorporates stylized symbols of the sun and the moon. Nepal is a country located on the continent of Asia. You'll be able to point this out once we go over our mapping skills. I want you to pause the video now so that you can draw in this flag in your books. Nepal, or officially the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, is a landlocked central Himalayan country in South Asia. The term landlocked means there's no access to open water. Here in New Zealand, we have plenty of access to open water because we're an island. We're not blocked off by any other countries. But Nepal is landlocked and bordered by Tibet and India. Mount Everest is found in Nepal. I want you to pause the video now and go and find out the height of Mount Everest. Mount Tongariro, which is in New Zealand, is 1,978 meters. Mount Everest is over 4 times the height of Mount Tongariro at 8,848 meters. Now we're going to talk about Nepal's earthquakes. The first documented earthquake event in the country dates back to the 7th of June 1255, during the reign of King Abhaya Malla. The quake, measuring 7.8 on the Richter scale, took the life of the king and wiped out a third of Kathmandu's then population. Nepal has witnessed at least one major earthquake per century ever since. The most recent earthquake was in 2015, which claimed the lives of 9,000 people. Next, we're going to look at some interesting facts about Nepal. I want you to write down at least 2 of them in your books. Nepal has one of the world's slowest download speeds, with 6.4 megabytes per second. Lumbini, a location in Nepal, is said to be the birthplace of Buddha. It also has one of the densest concentrations of World Heritage Sites. 81.3% of Nepal's population are Hindu, and Namaste is a standard greeting in Nepal with palms pressed together. Cows are the national animal of Nepal, and the slaughtering of cows is banned. While the Bengal tiger, the red panda, and the snow leopard are all endangered animals found in Nepal. It is common to see these colourful flags displayed throughout Nepal. These are prayer flags, and traditionally they're used to promote peace, compassion, strength, and wisdom. The flags do not carry prayers to gods, which is a common misconception. Rather, the Nepalese believe the prayers and mantras will be blown by the wind to spread goodwill and compassion. The red, blue, yellow, white, and green Buddhist prayer flags represent elements like air, fire, water, and earth. White symbolizes air, red is fire, green is water, yellow is earth, and blue is wind. They also represent directions: north, south, east, west, and the center. A common time to hang prayer flags is during the Chinese New Year. They should be hung high above the ground where they can flutter in the wind. Quick recap. Go back through the video and make sure you have some notes written in your books. Remember, you need to write down at least 2 interesting facts, and you need to have a copy of the Nepal flag in your books too.